Hi, everybody. I'm glad to be back. So, let's get started on something different. I'm going to stop doing the Harley Davidson video. It it wasn't doing real good. It's just that one video was up for about a month and has less than 100 views. So, I'm going to build that off camera and go back to doing what I usually do and gets views, which is stock cars. So, what I'm going to be starting on is this, although it's not going to be the Hud Strickland car. But if you look, the car I'm going to do is actually in this picture, which is right there. I'm doing Rusty Wallace's 1989 championship car. Now, I've built this before, not on video, but I've built it before, and I just didn't. It's when I was first getting back into building models and stuff, and I didn't remember all the little tricks on the Monogram kit, so it didn't turn out real good. So I figured I'll do old Rusty Wallace justice and make a good looking championship car. So, anyways, that's what I'm going to get started on. And let me get the decals out of the way, and we'll kind of see what's in the box. Be right back. Alright, so this is a factory sealed kit. I just cut the plastic off the bottom. And so first, all these white pieces are the bonus stuff, which, I mean, it's kind of cool. It's a toolbox, gas can, overflow can, air compressor, air guns, a driver figure, a jack. So, that's kind of neat, really. And then all this wonderful molded in red stuff, which is awful. So, we'll be dealing with that. But we can work around that. It's not a big deal. So, the body may be a little bit, just because it's white, and I mean, you're trying to go over red. So, what I might actually end up doing is the Rusty Wallace car I've made already. I'll probably just repaint it and like peel the decals off of it with tape or whatever, and then I'll go ahead and just repaint that body because it's already white. And this, I might try to do the 1990 version of Rusty Wallace's car, because I've got the decals and they're old, and I don't feel like they're going to turn out real well. But I can try it on this body here and see what we come up with. So I might do that too. Who knows? Satin chrome parts tree. These are fantastic. When they're dull like that, I really like them. So, and also we got the glass, which looks pretty good. Got tires. This old decal sheet. It's back when they were still putting Winston and Bush in on Monogram kits, so that's kind of cool. I don't know. I might use those for something else. It is. So, in case you didn't know, on this car, the Heinz 57 car, it's Rod Osterland owned that, who, as many of you know, is the car owner for Dale Earnhardt whenever he won his first championship and when he was Rookie of the Year. So that's why the numbers kind of have that You know, the same style as like the number 2 that Dale Earnhardt had. So just a quick fact in case y'all didn't know that. That's a Rod Osterlund car. So that's pretty cool. And then obviously it's got instructions in here too. So that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. And I will be back next time, and we'll get rolling on old Rusty Wallace's Pontiac. Have a good one.